Class 8, Subject English. First of all, good morning. I hope all of you will be fine. I am your English teacher and today we are going to read Chapter 7, Adjectives on page number 43. Before we start reading, I have to inform you, your lesson is divided into few parts. This is your very first part in which we are reading page number 43 and 44. Remaining portion and explanation is provided in further parts. I hope you understand. Let's start. Imagine that an old student named Pulkit wants you to convey his regards to the principal of his school. The principal cannot recollect which boy is being referred to, but when you start giving a description of Pulkit as Madam Pulkit passed his examination in 2015. He was a brilliant boy. He was a tall boy. He was slim, smart, curly-haired and white complexioned. With this description, principal recollect at once who Pulkit is. The word which describe Pulkit as slim, tall, brilliant, etc. are called adjective in the English language. Thus, we can define an adjective as that part of a speech which is used with a noun or pronoun and adds to its meaning by qualifying it. An adjective can be used in two different ways. The lazy boy failed. The boy was lazy. In the first instance, the adjective lazy has been placed with the noun boy as a predicate or attribute. It is therefore called attributive adjective. In the second sentence, the adjective lazy has been used with the verb and forms a part of the predicate. It is therefore called predicative adjective. Kinds of adjective. Adjectives are of following kinds: adjective of quality or descriptive adjective, adjectives of quantity or quantitative adjective, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective or interrogative adjective. Possessive adjective, distributive adjective, emphatic adjectives. First, adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives are those which denote the quality or condition of person and thing. For example, a brave soldier, a big tree, a golden chain, etc. The word brave, big and golden are adjectives of quality. Second, adjective of quality or quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives are those which tell us about the quantity or degree of thing. For example, much, little, no, none, some, any, all, whole, etc. For example, I have some money. He does not have any money. Milk is in the jug is not enough. Third, adjective of number. Adjective of number tell us definite or indefinite number of person or thing. Adjective of numbers are also of two types. Definite adjectives of number tell exact number of person or thing. For example, 2 girls, 3 mountains, 4 soldiers, etc. B. Indefinite adjective of number. Indefinite adjective of number do not indicate an exact number of person or thing. For example, a few mangoes, some coins, no money, etc. Making an adjective or number. To make an adjective of number, ask a question to the sentence. How many? The answer would be an adjective of number. Move to the next page. Example, there are fewer mangoes in the basket. How many mangoes? Answer, fewer. Comparing adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Adjective of quantity answer the question how many, while adjective of number answer the question how many.